Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to use environment variables, which are values stored outside the code, often used to keep configuration setting and sensitive data, especially sensitive data. So let's get started. I already created and activated the virtual environment. We just need to import another module, which is pip install python-env. This module makes it easier to manage sensitive data securely. Now let's create the requirements. Pip freeze greater than requirements.txt. Then we have to create a .env file. You must call it in this way. And then you have to add these informations in the same way I did, except you have to put your email and your password email. The other two parameters are mail dependent, so I'll post in the description the correct version for different mail. And I suggest you to don't use Gmail because you have some more work to do that I can't show you. And after we create the .env file, we have to create the gitignore file. And let's add double underscore pycache double underscore slash new line .venv slash new line .vscode slash new line and the .env file. Let's save it and let's initialize our repository git init. Git add dot git commit -m double quotation marks initial commit. And as you can see, we can keep our password securely. Now that we did this, we want to create a sort of mail sender automation, so let's do it. msg equal email message parentheses new line msg square brackets quotation marks from equal host dot get env parentheses quotation marks email underscore address new line msg square brackets quotation marks to equal to address new line msg square brackets quotation marks subject equal subject new line msg dot set content parentheses body new line with smtplib dot smtp parentheses os dot getenv parentheses quotation marks smtp underscore server comma init parentheses os dot getenv parentheses quotation marks, SMTP underscore port. As SMTP, column, new line, SMTP dot start TLS, parenthesis, new line, SMTP dot login, parenthesis, os dot getenv, parenthesis, quotation marks, email underscore address, comma, os dot getenv, parenthesis, quotation marks, email underscore password, new line, SMTP dot send message, parenthesis, MSG, and this should be enough, so let's run it. And as you can see, I auto send an email to my account, and that's enough. So let's recap. Lesson 24 hyphen environment variable. We learn how to use the .env file and how to use the .env module to load securely sensitive information. For security, remember to remove the password from the .env file. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.